Okay, how to find the exact color. So if you click on I for the pickup color, and if you hold, as you can see here, is changing. So that's gonna help me to find the exact color for the foreground. You can also press, if you have everything other tool selected, if you click on I, this will pick the exact color. Then you double click here in the foreground, you have that color with the number here. And now here the color libraries, and you can find more, but to pick is just have to click there. So if when you're working and you have selected the move tool V and you click on I, you just do this fast, and then you click on V to reselect. So that's V, and then pickup tool. And now I have here image. I can use the object selection tool, and now I will select this horse and the girl. Now the Photoshop will analyze my image and will make a selection of this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'll just grab this now. You can click on this to add a mask, and now I can move it here, and now I would like to match this color. So what can I do? Well, there's a couple of things I can do first. So I can first click on curves, and then here in curves I can hold Alt and click on this, which will add you can also go like this, right click and click on layer mask. But by doing this, you can add a faster, you can also click on here, and here we have properties. You can click on this, which will add to our image. Now here we can go to auto options, and here we have target colors. All right, so find dark, find snap neutral midtones. All right, and now we have to enable snap neutral midtones. Click on shadows. So here select where the shadows in my image here, the image book behind this. So shadows, right, the really a dark or just a shadow, right? So I'm gonna select something from here, all right, but with this, because it's around like that, this could be the shadow. And the midtone, I'm gonna select the midtone from here, like this. And now highlights, well, this is a good highlight here. Well, this one is actually not bad, because if the light is coming from this direction, this should be the one. Now save the new target colors as defaults. No. Now I know that's not perfect by any means, but if you want just to create something simple with the colors you select, that can help you in your project. And make sure you click, this will only affect this layer if you click this, because you don't want to affect the background as well, right? So now you can also find the color with the pickup tool. All right. So now what I like to do is to now right click and convert to a smart object. So that's how you do it. I really hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.